Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to make these cheesy and tasty loaded baked potatoes. Well, to be honest, these are the super delicious potatoes you have ever had. In today's video, I'll make these tastiest baked potatoes without any help of oven. I'm sure once you're gonna eat these tastiest potatoes, you're gonna love these and hope you would be amazed as well. So without any further delay, let's walk towards our today's recipe. So first of all, I'm going to boil 4 potatoes. I will recommend you to cover the pan with a lid. It makes the process a little bit faster. While my potatoes are boiling, I'm going to cut the vegetables out. So I've taken an onion, I've peeled it off and cut it into a half. I'm going to place 4 cuts into it for chopping, so my pieces are evenly in size and smaller as well. I will place it on a separate plate. It's time to get capsicums. Some of you might not be liking capsicum or onions. Whatever the vegetables you want to use, you can use them. You can even replace it with carrots, but to be honest, capsicum makes it more tastier. I'm going to chop it into little pieces. Once all the cutting done, place it into a plate. You can place it on the same plate where you have placed onions, but don't mix them. I'm going to take a tomato, I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. It's easier for me to chop in this way. So I've chopped these tomatoes and I'm going to place it on the same plate. So I have taken 2 green chilies and now I'm going to chop it. You can add chilies according to your preference and whatever the spices you like. Well, with this, I have taken 7 cloves of garlic and I'm going to chop it properly with the help of chopper. Surely within this period of time, my potatoes have boiled. Now these are ready for the next process. Take all the potatoes out of the pot. Do it carefully because the water is quite hot. Now I'm going to take my boiled potato and cut the upper layer of my potato. Now with the help of a spoon, I'm going to make a hole and taking all the excessive potato inside the hole out so that it makes an even hole for my filling, letting the outer layer as it is. So once all the potatoes are done, I've taken the excessive potatoes into a bowl and mashing it. So I've taken a pan, preheated it, added 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to add some of the onions which I have chopped before. So I've added chopped garlic and I'm going to fry it with onions. Well, do not turn the flame on high because it's going to burn your onion and garlic. Now I'm going to add some green chilies inside it and stir it well. While stirring prevents it from burning and it is evenly cooked. Now I'm going to add tomatoes and capsicum. Again, stir it very well so nothing is burnt out. Now I'm going to add some spices. First of all, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon coriander powder and 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Mix it well. Well, I have not added red chili powder because I have already added green chilies. With this, I've added my mashed potatoes and I'm going to mix it very well. Keep stirring with the help of spoon so the mixture does not stick with pan. You can see my filling is completely ready. So I've taken a cauldron and I'm going to add a little bit of salt in it. So I'm going to place an orange side in the middle of it and gonna place the lid. Once that is getting preheated, I'm going to grease all the oil inside my pan. In this, I'm going to add ketchup and mayonnaise inside my potato. Whatever the sauces you like, you can add. And apply it all sides of my potato. Gonna add 1 layer of my filling and add cheese or egg. Grated my cheese. With that, I'm going to add another layer of my potato filling and add cheese as well. Now I'm going to give it a topping with olive, tomatoes and capsicum. You can also change the toppings, whatever you like. With that, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of oregano on my potatoes. Now I'm going to place it in my pan. While I have created a baking atmosphere inside my pan, we don't need an oven for it. I have placed the lid on it for 20 minutes. Now it's ready to serve. Do not touch it without gloves. So you can just place them on a presentable plate. So these are ready to eat. You never have ever had eaten such kind of potatoes. With the help of a knife, I'm going to cut it. I'm gonna show you the filling inside. It looks so tasty, and the best part is the cheese. Once you're going to take a bite, the cheese is going to melt inside. So you can see inside, the filling looks so tasty. It has a layer of cheese and the mashed potatoes and the vegetable mixture. Well, I'm sure the cheese lovers are going to love these cheesy baked potatoes. Make this recipe with your friends and try it. If you really like my video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and have not subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye, have a nice day and enjoy your meals.